For quick dishes for people that have those fast-paced lives, tell us why you brought the muffin tin. And I'm staring at it and I'm looking at it because there's a purpose to this.
Absolutely. So why we have this muffin tin is that it's a great way to kind of meal prep. So, I don't have a lot of time. This is easy peasy. And you know what? I love telling my patients, grab and go vegetables. So you can get already the diced up onions and peppers and tomatoes. You throw them in your muffin tin. You crack a couple of eggs, scramble them up, pour them over, 30 minutes, 300 degrees in the oven.
Wow.
So while that's cooking, maybe you're putting away the rest of your groceries. Sometimes I'm cooking while I'm still unpacking my groceries. So, one thing is happening while I'm finishing up another. So it doesn't have to be complicated. It's okay to get something like this. Obviously, when you have the time to prep and dice, beautiful.
Right, but if the work is done for you, that's my kind of...
Absolutely. I tell my patients a lot, listen, we either pay with our time, we pay with our money, or we pay with our health. I don't mind paying with my time and money. I'm not paying with my health.